Let's talk about Clubhouse. Clubhouse app has been the trending social media platform since it was launched in April 2020. The user base has been growing exponentially and now it has reached over 10 million active users. If you're wondering what Clubhouse is and want to know more about it, please continue watching. Clubhouse is a platform where live, real-time conversations are happening in audio format, and the conversations are never saved like on other platforms such as Facebook or YouTube. Think of the app as in podcast format, but what's unique about this app is that you can join in conversations and listen to what other people are talking about on a specific topic. Therefore, it gives you the vibe of being in the live conference. Especially in a pandemic like this, it is a great opportunity to network with other people on this platform. On top of that, you can also provide your own opinion on the topic while live conversations are happening. I'll get to that later in this video. Surprisingly, there are no posts, images, or videos like you see on Facebook or Instagram. What's good about this platform is that you have the opportunity to meet high-profile celebrities like Gary Vaynerchuk, Mark Cuban, and other entrepreneurs, artists, creators, you name it, they are on the platform. You can hear them speak live, and you can also ask questions during the conversations. It's like you are at the dinner table or at a conference where you can interact with them at a deeper level. It is the benefit that is only available on Clubhouse right now. Here are some fun facts of Clubhouse that you should know. First of all, it's an invite-only app, and therefore you need to get an invitation from existing Clubhouse users, and therefore I would suggest you ask around your friends or families who have any more invites on Clubhouse so that they can let you in. Second, it's only available for iOS platforms, so iPhone users can take advantage of this amazing opportunity. At the time of making this video, it's not available for Android platforms. The reason is that they are still in beta stage and they are planning to scale it up to Android platforms in the near future. Enough of the facts on Clubhouse app, and now I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of some simple features that you should know once you are on Clubhouse. So here's a picture of Clubhouse icon and I'm gonna press it. We are on the home page of Clubhouse app. The interface is pretty simple and very neat. The gray boxes represents the name of the conversation that is currently happening or it's going to happen in the future. It's like the TV channel where it shows you the name of the specific program and the specific time you can catch them. Underneath that, you can see white boxes that represent groups, but on Clubhouse app, these are called rooms. In each room, there is a title, which is probably topic that they are discussing about, and it shows the number of people joining the room. On the top left corner, you can see that there is a search button, so it gives you the suggestion of people you can follow. If you scroll all the way down, it gives you the variety of topics from like sports to technology. It's very broad, so you can go to a specific topic and find the group you are interested in, and you can join as many groups as possible. The second icon represents the number of invites that you have currently. According to my personal experience, the way to increase the number of invites is to be active on Clubhouse by joining the conversations that are happening right now, and also be a part of the conversations and interacting with the group members or with the speakers. In that way, you can increase the number of invites. The next icon is the schedule. It's like the TV channel where it shows you the name of the topic that people are discussing. There is a specific time mentioned here. You can get a general idea about when it is starting. If you don't want to miss out, there is a bell icon on the right hand side. If you press that, there is a pop-up saying you want to follow this group or not. Currently it shows check right now. I believe the app is going to give me a reminder when this conversation starts. The next icon is the bell icon. Under the activity, you can see that there are a lot of conversations happening. It also shows the people you follow and also people who followed you. The next icon is your profile page. You can fill up your information as brief as you want. Currently, you can connect your Instagram account and your Twitter account. And at the bottom of the profile, it shows the group that you are a part of. Once you get into a room, since I am in demo mode, I'm screen recording it and giving you the live demo. You're not allowed to record the live conversations happening. It's against their policy, so I muted the conversation. At the top section of the group, there are people acting as the moderator, and the moderators are represented by the green icon. And on the second section of the room, it shows the number of people that are followed by the speakers. At the third section of the group, those are the general public that are joining the conversations and they are not affiliated with the speaker or they are not followed by the speaker. If you want to add someone to this live conversation because you feel like your friends deserve the right to know and should opt in to learn new information about a specific topic, you can press the plus button underneath so you can ping someone into the room. If you want to contribute your ideas into the group, you can press the raise your hand icon beside the plus icon, but I'm not gonna do that. But right now I'm gonna just leave the conversation. So if you feel like you want to share a value content or some information or tips that you want to share it with your friends or with the Clubhouse community members, feel free to start a room by pressing a start a room button. So you can see there are 3 specific types of group you can choose from. The first one is the open group. That means once you start the conversations, it's open to all the Clubhouse community members. Therefore, all the Clubhouse community members can join your conversations and contribute their ideas. But if you want to restrict the room just for your followers, you can do it by choosing the social icon. That means you want to have the conversations with the people you follow. And the last one is closed group. That means you can choose a specific people, probably your friends, and you can have a chat or hang out with your friends on Clubhouse. I understand that the Clubhouse app is still in beta mode, but it's a bummer for not being able to send direct messages to other people on Clubhouse app. Hopefully, Clubhouse developers will consider adding direct messaging features on their Clubhouse platform in the near future. But currently, you can hop onto either Twitter account or your Instagram account to communicate with other people that you found on Clubhouse. Here's my question. Should you join Clubhouse? I would definitely recommend you to join 100% if you get an invitation from your friends. It's a wonderful opportunity and a great community to be a part of. You can network with people from different industries and different positions. During this pandemic, where huge public conventions are still not able to operate right now, Clubhouse app gives you the advantage to meet high-profile people and listen to their content. You never know who will pop up in your room on Clubhouse app. Who knows, you might find your ideal client or your business partners on Clubhouse. Therefore, take advantage of the platform. So, what do you think about Clubhouse? Would you join Clubhouse app if you get an invitation from your friends? Comment down below. That's a wrap for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video is helpful to you in some ways, please give a thumbs up button down below. That would help a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Make sure you subscribe my channel so that you can notify when I post new videos on tips and technology reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.